Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. My name is Austin and I work at Full Line Ag, a farm equipment dealership located here in the beautiful province of Saskatchewan. And this week we have our customer ride and drives with that big Fendt sprayer, that Fendt 930 front wheel assist. So today, right now, first thing, we're just moving stuff around the yard, getting it cleaned up and getting it ready for tomorrow's ride and drive. So I'm going to take you into the cab of a few things and take you along, so I hope you enjoy it. We're currently in a Rogator 1074. I believe this is a 2009-ish. I'm going to give it some RPMs. The parking brake on this thing is pretty cool. It's pretty much fixed, but how you release it, this tab has to go down. So you go toe, heel, and you have to step on that tab. Parking brake's off, and then push that hydrostat forward, and we're moving. We got Holden, a young gentleman, out there cutting the grass, making everything look nice and neat. And we got quite the shower yesterday. In the gauges they say half an inch of rain, but that rain was coming in sideways, so I think we got a fair bit more. And now we're parked right by that sign. We got a Massey swather and then the other Rogator. Keaton's checking to see if it's good. He says I gotta move over that way a little more. And then you just click this little latch forward, push down, parking brake's on. Funny thing about this sprayer, it's actually a John Deere cab on it. There we go, look at that. Woo! Doesn't that look good? Leave it on. Leave it on because the light. She looks good. Yikes. Socks and sandals to start off the morning, and a muddy and mucky yard. And while we are back for another day, I finally changed my shoes, not into anything much better than the sandals, but we're back out front in Perdue and showed up a little extra early today, mainly because we're gonna get our diamond harrows, hook them up to the yard tractor, and go around and scrape and kind of bring the rocks back up to the top of this gravel. But out front, we're pretty much all set up for the ride and drive later today. We have some equipment set up around the sides. All the equipment in this back area has been moved away. We have the Fendt sprayer, that Rogator, just sitting there right now. We have the two Fendt Tractors sitting there, excuse me, lined up right at the front of the shop. It looks actually very, very good. And then we have that Massey 6S front wheel assist tractor sitting on that mound out there. I love the way it looks walking up to the building with this 930 Gen 6 and then an S4 933. But if we look, we can see tire tracks. These rocks are stuck right into the ground. If we look how muddy and mucky it is, this diamond harrowing will also help dry it out today. We're not supposed to get any rain, which I want rain, but it's kind of a good day for us maybe. So let's do some diamond harrowing, lift all this dirt up, clean up the yard a little bit, and then let's do some ride and drives.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Bump it up a gear. So I guess let's walk through this setup very quickly. So we have four ag tires directly behind the tractor. The reason for that is it knocks down the ridges. So when we're going over stuff and ruts that have been sitting there for a little while, those ag tires will actually knock down those ridges and then follow behind the ag tires as we go through a nice muddy washout. Behind the ag tires, we actually have those diamond harrows, and those diamond harrows leaves a really nice finish also on this gravel. The crushed rock or the rock starts to come up. Those diamond harrows bring it up really nicely, and especially up front here, it changes the look of the yard immensely. We're cruising around that 3 mile an hour. It just is nice and easy, especially up front. At 3 miles an hour, it lifts that rock and dirt up. The faster you go, the less nice of a job it does. So kind of slow and steady wins the race. But this is one of my favorite jobs. It just slows things down, kind of takes your mind off things. It's nice and relaxing and very satisfying. So I'm gonna sit here, drink my coffee, and enjoy the rest of my morning. Hey, who are you?
Justin Bazoogley, going for a rip.
What are we driving?
We are in the new Fendt Rogator here in Perdue, Saskatchewan.
Perfect. Let's start her up. Keep going, feel this washout. And yeah, once you turn this, hammer on it and feel the power.
I never sprayed that fast.
Yeah.